Okay, so I've installed the doorknobs, and as you can see, they look pretty uniform, even though the doors are all different shapes and sizes. At least the doorknobs are all basically around the same height and they all look uniformly screwed up. There's not much I can do about that. So, can't always be perfect. But at least they have doorknobs. All in all, it took about an hour to install. Even though I had to cut all the stupid little screws. It took me longer to unpack the damn thing and to cut the damn screws. But it's all done. All in all, looks mucho bueno.